Good evening. Today we are going to continue with the same topic which was it last time we had done helping verbs, right? But today we are going to do helping verbs in past tense. Last time we had done helping verbs in present tense. Today we are going to do helping verbs in past tense. Again, in this topic we are going to learn two types of sentences. One is your simple past tense and the other is past continuous tense. Okay, so we are going to learn two types of sentences. How we did in your last topic in present helping verbs present tense, we had learned two types of sentences, your simple present tense and present continuous tense. So today it is simple past tense and past continuous tense. So let us see what are your helping verbs in past tense. Your helping verbs in past tense are was and were. Okay? Was and were. Was will go with all the singular nouns and were will go with plural nouns. So let us, to understand it in a more proper way, I would say that was is the past tense of am and is. Your helping verbs in present tense am and is. Okay, so was is the past tense of am and is, and were is the past tense of are. So was goes with helping verb was, goes with your first person singular, that is I. Then your third person singular, he or she or it, and all singular nouns. Okay, to understand it in a better way, was goes with first person singular, that is I, then he, she, it, and all singular nouns. Let us have some examples. I was ill. मैं बीमार था या मैं बीमार थी. Let us take an example there. He was on their terrace. वो terrace पर था. Okay. Now these two sentences, I am not using any real verb. I am using only the helping verb. This is your simple past tense. Simple past tense. Okay. Now let us see past continuous tense. Now what is the formation of the sentence when we do any continuous tense? Last time I had explained. First the person will come, then the helping verb will come, and then the main verb in ing form. So same rule we have to apply over here. Let us take any singular person, say Rohan was watching a movie. Okay? Rohan was watching a movie. See the formation of the sentence. First the person, Rohan is the person which comes in he, she, it category. So singular noun, Rohan. Was is the helping verb and watching is the verb in ing form. Rohan was watching a movie. यानी रोहन एक मूवी देख रहा था. Let us take one more example. Teacher was teaching grammar. Teacher was teaching grammar. Teacher singular noun, was helping verb, and teach is a verb which I am using in ing form. Teaching grammar, यानी teacher grammar सिखा रही थी. So these two sentences are your past continuous tense. What is the difference between simple past tense and past continuous tense? Simple past tense यानी past में हो गया, कभी हो गया. I am not giving you a definite time or a period. हो गया, सुबह शायद सुबह हो गया होगा, कल हुआ होगा. But past continuous tense यानी past में उस समय वो हो रहा था. Okay, you are talking about a time when you were watching something which was happening in front of your eyes, but in past, like सुबह हो रहा था, कल हो रहा था, जब आप देख रहे थे, आपके सामने हो रहा था. So this indicates your past continuous tense. Okay, so we have your four sentences. These are your simple sentences. Now we will change them to interrogative sentences. Interrogative यानी प्रश्न वाले. So what happens when we change assertive sentences to interrogative sentences? We just swap the places. Which places do we swap? The helping verb and the person. When we change it to interrogative, the helping verb will come out and the person will follow. Okay? So, I was ill. मैं बीमार थी. मैं खुद से प्रश्न कर रही हूँ. क्या मैं बीमार थी? So I will ask, was I ill? Similarly, he was on the terrace. क्या वो terrace पर था? Was he on terrace? Next, रोहन पिक्चर देख रहा था. क्या रोहन पिक्चर देख रहा था? Was Rohan watching a movie? टीचर वॉज टीचिंग ग्रामर. क्या टीचर ग्रामर सिखा रही थी? वॉज टीचर टीचिंग ग्रामर? Okay, so these are your interrogative sentences. We have got two types of sentences: simple past tense and past continuous. These are your assertive sentences and these are your interrogative sentences. Take it down. Word goes with the rest of the persons. Word goes with plural nouns. As you know, in your present tense, helping verbs in present tense, are goes with plural nouns. Similarly, word is the past tense of are, so it will go with all plural nouns. Word goes with we, you or you all, they. All plural nouns. Okay? And you can say and all plural nouns. Word goes with we, you all, they and all plural nouns. For example, we were in the park. हम पार्क में थे. You all were very naughty. तुम सब नटखट थे. I'm just making sentences with helping verb were. I am not using any real verb over here. These two sentences are your simple past tense. Okay. Now let us look at past continuous tense. They were singing a song. वे गाना गा रहे थे. They is the person, were helping verb and the main verb sing. I am using it in ing form, singing a song. वे गाना गा रहे थे. Formation of the sentence: first person, then the helping verb, then the main verb in ing form. Let us see one more example. Let us see some plural noun. You can say many parrots were flying in the sky. Many parrots were flying in the sky. Many parrots, plural noun. It is not one parrot. I am talking about many parrots. So it is a plural noun. Many parrots. This is the person. Then comes the helping verb. Verb. Fly is the main verb in ing form. Many parrots were flying in the sky. बहुत सारे तोते आसमान में उड़ रहे थे. So these two sentences are your past continuous tense. Let us change them to interrogative sentences. So what is going to happen? The helping verb will come out and the person will come next. So we were in the park. मैं प्रश्न कर रही हूँ खुद से, क्या हम पार्क में थे? Were we in the park? Next, you all were very naughty. तुम सब नटखट थे. क्या तुम सब नटखट थे? Were you all very naughty? Next, they were singing a song. Were they singing a song? Many parrots were flying in the sky. Were many parrots flying in the sky? Okay? Clear? So this was your topic of helping verbs in past tense.